So guys, today I'm discussing about topic about that. So how we can people will be getting for 2000 rupees for free. So in the Google AdWords option. In this purpose, we have to do the particular option will be there. We can discuss here. Yeah, coming to the point. So everyone you get the some mail will be getting for 2000 rupees ad credit option. So people will be this amount will be received or not. How to receive the message? When you click for sign up this option, when you click for sign up this option, just we can go to the Google AdWords option. Just and click for sign up. We are going to just Google AdWords option. Just I'm clicking for sign in option. The relative for things. So the account will be sign up here. Process will be started here. Now after sign up with this option, we get notification by the in this particular Google AdWords campaign. We have to selecting for this bell icon option. In this one, you earn a credit for 2000 rupees. But here, some condition will be there to earning for 2000 rupees purpose. What is the condition? It is true or wrong. In this purpose, we have check option will be called tools. In this click for summary. In this option will be called I'm getting for 2000 rupees. I can spending also in the particular budget. Is a live scenario. Go to promotions. In the promotion option here, get 2000 rupees credit for spending for 650 rupees. When you are spending for 650 rupees, you can credit for 2000 rupees per particular amount. Amount will granted 2000. Status active. Date here. So 100% 2000 will be spending here. So everyone we can receive by 2000 rupees when you're creating for new account on the Google AdWords. So when you're spending for amount, when you're spending for 650 rupees, you get the 2000 rupees worth of the free ads. So that it will be used in the particular option for the promotion purpose. So when you're using for 650, you get the 2000 rupees in this particular Google AdWords account. This is a live proof. I'm granted for 2000 rupees. I'm spending for particular ad that all summary will be given by the in the particular Google AdWords campaign. Any person, if you're creating Google Ads account, when you're spending for 650 rupees, they give the additional amount will be 2000 free coupon will be there. Then nothing activation. Once you sign up your account, you get by this message for every Gmail users. If not received, just we can set up for the billing summary. When you go click for in the promotion option, the valid code will be there, in the promotion will be there. So this is a process we can follow to activate in the 2000 rupees when you're spending for 650 rupees on the particular Google Ads on the AdWords campaign budget.